Now, obviously, no farm is complete without a working circular saw. I guess that's what they call it. And there's a lot of knives. So now we're going to walk back towards their work shed where they keep all of their equipment and stuff. I'm going to jump ahead until I get there. These are the ducks that guard all of the stuff that they have back here. Dog. One of their dogs. And here's their shed. I don't know what any of this stuff is. I'm sure you do. I guess this is a walk-in cooler. More stuff. Workbench. Wet dry. Everything you could possibly want. And remarkably well organized. A couple of saws. Magnetically suspended wrenches, which I think is a fantastic idea. I think that's it. Oh, I have to show you this. This is Ben's motorcycle. You probably know more about it than I ever will. Awfully pretty. Here are just some of their growing fields that will eventually have plastic tops on them to protect them from the wind and all the weather and the dogs. They don't like bunny rabbits here. And then these are inside. Beautiful lettuce. All grown without pesticides and all grown with reclaimed rainwater. More interesting stuff. And these are the young ones that are just starting to grow right now. Since they have 350 acres, I'm probably only looking at about a couple acres of it right here, so you can imagine where all the other stuff is. Here's some more hardware for you. More propane, as always, and a nice swing to measure things on. And then we see that the operation continues onward. And it continues out that way. Right now we're behind their shed, where I guess all of the broken toys go to live out their days. Oh, another tractor. And a tractor part. And another tractor part. And a here is Broken Tractor Row. Bad boy. And as we come out here, you can see we're behind the small house. We're about to get into where the potatoes went in yesterday. Skip ahead until I get there. So in that video you saw yesterday with Vanessa and the tractor driving it for the first time, this is what she was driving through. And then they dropped the potatoes in every 14 inches or something. And then here's a little bit more mature field or block or whatever they call it. So all of this is their land, further than the eye can see.